Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC U1281, indicates that the rain light sensor unit has lost communication with the Microcomputer Integrated Control Unit, MICU. This DTC typically relates to automatic lighting and the rain sensor functionality in the vehicle. The rain light sensor, located usually behind the rearview mirror, is responsible for detecting moisture on the windshield, which triggers the automatic windshield wipers and lights. When communication is lost, it can hamper the automatic functions, potentially leading to inconvenience while driving, especially during rain or low visibility conditions. The MICU is a pivotal component, acting as the central command that integrates various control signals from sensors and switches throughout the vehicle. Resolving this issue will ensure that the automatic systems operate correctly, enhancing safety during adverse weather conditions. In summary, DTC U1281 signifies a critical communication failure between the rain light sensor and the Microcomputer Integrated Control Unit, MICU, which can hinder automatic driving features. Key symptoms include ineffective windshield wipers and non-functioning headlights, essential for safe driving in adverse weather conditions. The primary causes range from sensor malfunctions to wiring issues, emphasizing the need for thorough inspections. Engaging in routine diagnostics not only assists in early detection of issues, but also promotes the longevity of the components involved. As a driver, understanding these systems and maintaining preventive measures will greatly enhance the driving experience and safety. Ultimately, a methodical approach to troubleshooting will ensure effective communication and the reliable operation of all vehicle features. DTC U1281 involves the rain light sensor and the Microcomputer Integrated Control Unit, MICU. The rain light sensor is critical for automatically activating the windshield wipers when it detects rain, significantly improving driver visibility and safety. Found behind the rearview mirror, this sensor detects moisture on the windshield surface and communicates with the MICU. The MICU interprets the sensor signals to operate other functions like headlights and wipers. If the communication between the rain light sensor and the MICU fails, the automatic features that rely on this data will not function, leading to potential driving challenges. The location of these components makes access vital during the troubleshooting phase. Possible causes for the occurrence of DTC U1281 include a malfunctioning rain light sensor, wiring issues, or a failure within the MICU itself. A malfunctioning rain light sensor may fail to send proper signals, which could stem from internal circuit failure or contamination. Wiring issues might involve frayed or disconnected wires, leading to intermittent communication loss. The MICU itself can also fail due to software glitches or hardware malfunctions, resulting in its inability to process signals from the rain light sensor. When diagnosing this issue, it is essential to thoroughly inspect these components, as each plays a crucial role in the proper operation of the automatic lighting and rain sensing functions. Identifying the root cause will facilitate targeted repairs, ultimately restoring system functionality. Symptoms related to DTC U1281 can manifest as certain malfunctions in the vehicle's features. One prominent symptom is the failure of the automatic windshield wipers to engage, leaving drivers to manually operate them during rain, which is not only inconvenient but can also endanger safety. Additionally, the vehicle may not activate the headlights automatically during low light conditions due to the rain light sensor's failure to communicate. Drivers may also notice warning lights on the instrument panel, indicating an issue. It's essential to pay attention to these symptoms, as they can compromise both safety and convenience. Recognizing these issues early can help in quick troubleshooting and repair, ensuring that all automated systems function seamlessly. The first step in troubleshooting DTC U1281 is to clear the Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTCs, using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS. This step is crucial as it resets the system, allowing for a fresh start in diagnosing the issue. Begin by connecting the HDS tool to the vehicle's diagnostic port. Once the connection is established, navigate through the interface to locate the option to clear the DTCs. After performing this action, it's important to turn the engine start-stop button to the off position, then back to on after a few seconds. This simple action prompts the vehicle's computer to reset and prepare for new readings. Following this step will help ascertain if the DTC is persistent or if it was a temporary glitch. After clearing the DTCs, the next troubleshooting step involves adjusting the engine start-stop button. Ensure the vehicle is turned off completely, then cycle the ignition to the on mode. This means pushing the engine start button without actually starting the engine. However, it must be in the on position for a minimum of 6 seconds. During this waiting period, the vehicle's systems will initiate self-checks, including the communication protocols between various control units, such as the MICU and the rain light sensor. This cycling helps to establish whether any existing issues persist and is essential for accurate troubleshooting. By following this procedure, you can verify the current state of the system and prepare for further diagnostic actions. The final troubleshooting step involves checking for DTCs once again using the Honda Diagnostic System. After waiting 6 seconds following the second ignition cycle, this step assesses whether the rain light sensor is still sending proper communication signals to the MICU. By using the HDS, you'll receive an updated list of any codes that are currently active. If DTC U1281 is still present, it suggests ongoing communication failures between the two components, prompting further investigation into wiring or the sensor itself. Conversely, if no DTCs are indicated, it may mean that the problem was intermittent, and you should check for possible loose connections or wiring issues that could affect communication. Tracking these codes is essential for diagnosing the problem and determining the next steps in the repair process. After completing the initial troubleshooting and making necessary repairs, it is crucial to verify that everything is functioning properly. This begins by confirming that the DTC has been effectively cleared using the Honda Diagnostic System. Following this, perform additional system tests to affirm that the rain light sensor and MICU are now communicating as intended. This involves ensuring that the automatic windshield wipers activate when moisture is detected and headlights turn on under low light conditions. Operate the vehicle in real-world conditions following these checks to guarantee that all automatic features work perfectly. It's vital to reset the system and recheck all functions to provide assurance of a thoroughly completed repair and the ongoing reliability of the vehicle. Preventive maintenance is an essential strategy to reduce the likelihood of encountering DTC U1281 in the future. Regular inspections of the rain light sensor, including checking for dust, debris, or moisture accumulation, can help maintain the sensor's performance. Additionally, routinely inspect the wiring and connect points to ensure there are no loose connections or signs of wear and tear. Keeping these components clean and functional will minimize the risk of communication failures. It's also a good practice to run diagnostic checks periodically, especially if any warning lights appear on the dashboard. By proactively managing these elements, you can ensure that the automatic lighting and rain sensing systems operate at peak efficiency throughout the life of the vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.